Lights are lit and there's sweat on your embrace. Just want everything I dare. Lights are out and there's time to your embrace. Just another dare. Lights are lit and there's sweat on your embrace. Just want everything I dare. Lights are out and there's time to your embrace. Just another dare. Want everything I dare. Lights are out and there's time to your embrace. Just another dare. Another dare. Lights are out and there's time to your embrace. Just another dare.
ZZCHRYSO focuses on the research and development, design and sales of woodworking machines. Since foundation, our products have served more than 80 countries. Excellent product quality and professional after-sales service have won us widespread praise from customers. Integrity management. Quality first is our consistent principle. A great experience of work in woodworking machine allows us to offer the optimal solutions for your business projects. We pay attention to all aspects: equipment reliability, capacity, and a reasonable price, as well as traditions and national habits. Our professional team of quality control and passionate after-sales service members will continue to keep tracking of each order scientifically, so as to provide high-speed services for customers. All members of ZZCHRYSO welcome global clients and are willing to establish long-term friendly cooperation relations with global customers. We will strive to produce more high-quality products and repay the trust of our customers. We are your reliable business partner here.